everyone! Welcome to my vlog. At kung first time nyo to watch this video, I hope magustuhan nyo at gawin nyo ng bisyo. Para updated ka sa latest videos ko, click mo lang yung bell button and don't forget to hit like and subscribe! So for today, pag-uusapan natin on how to handle your credit card. And hopefully at the end of this video, mabago natin yung wrong connotation about having a credit card. So once na nag-apply ka for credit card at na-approve ka ni bank, papadalan ka nila ng envelope. Inside the envelope, andun yung credit card. Nakadikit yung credit card sa paper. Tapos din sa paper, makikita mo yung on how to activate your credit card, your credit limit, your billing date, and yung customer service hotline. And then, nandun din naka-include yung brochure ni bank. Sa brochure, makikita mo yung table of fees, yung terms and conditions ni bank. So, yung mga yon. So, kung first time mo naman magkaroon ng credit cards, syempre, lahat naman tayo nag-start sa first time, sa paano ba ito gamitin, paano ba ito i-activate. So, katulad na sinabi ko, nandun sa papel on how to activate your card. It can be by means of SMS or yung normally na ginagawa kasi is by calling your bank. So, once na tinawagan mo si bank, a customer service will assist you to activate your card. Magko-conduct lang sila ng verification na talagang ikaw ang owner ng credit card. Once tapos na yung verification, automatic, i-activate na ni customer service yung credit card at ready na yung credit card para gamitin. So, once activated na siya, ano ba ang dapat mong gawin? Right away ba? Kailangan mo agad gamitin. So, for me, before you apply for a credit card, you have to know yung purpose of having your credit or getting a credit card. Kasi, kung hindi mo siya alam gamitin or i-manage, dun natin naririnig na nababaon tayo sa utang o kaya naman hindi na natin mabayaran because hindi nga natin na-manage yung ating credit card. One tip is know the purpose of getting a credit card. Because from there, hindi ka na magiging impulsive of buying dun sa mga, ay kasi gusto ko to, gagamitin ko yung credit card ko, hindi pa naman maniningil si bangko. Dun natin yun may iwasan, yung pagiging impulsive buyer. At the same time, pag alam mo yung purpose ng credit card mo, gagamitin mo lang siya dun sa pagkakataon na alam mo, dapat siyang gamitin. Third, kailangan mo rin malaman yung statement date. It's very important. For instance, your statement date is every 10th of the month. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng 10th of the month? For instance, June 10, January 10, February 10, it's every 10th of the month. So, yung statement date, yun yung coverage ng purchases mo. It means, from May 11 to June 10, lahat ng purchases o lahat ng pinaggamitan mo ng card will be the total amount you owed to the bank. So, mag-cite tayo ng example. No, May 15, ginamit mo yung card mo for 5,000. Then, ginamit mo ulit siya nung May 31st, another 5,000. Pagdating naman ng June 3, ginamit mo ulit yung card mo for another 5,000. After June 3, hindi mo na siya ginamit. So, the total amount you owe to the bank is 15,000. So, kagandahan na alam mo yung statement date mo para alam mo kung ano yung covered period na sisingilin ka ni bank. Then, another thing that you need to know is when is your due date. Your due date, normally, medyo tricky kasi yung due date or billing date. Ang nilalagay ni banko dyan is 25 days after your statement date. Ibig sabihin, if your statement date is on 10th of the month, magbibilang ka lang ng 25 days after ng statement date mo. So, kung 10th of the month, that would be 5th. So, 10 plus 25, normally, every 5th of the month. So, sample. Sa example natin kanina, ginamit mo yung card mo no June 15 for 5,000, May 31st for 5,000, June 3 for 5,000, and kung hindi mo alam ang statement date mo, ginamit mo ulit yung card mo ng June 9 ng another 10,000 which costs you 25,000. So, pag naningil si bangko, babayaran mo yan pagdating ng July 5 ng 25,000. So, ang kagandahan kasi na alam mo yung statement date mo, ito kasi yung tip ko sa inyo na dapat alam niyo yung statement date nyo. At of course, yung mga nakakakilala sa akin. Tapos, kunwari may bibilin ako, sabihin ko muna, ano bang araw ngayon? Anong date ngayon? Kasi dun ko tinitingnan kung kaya ko pa siyang bayaran. For instance, alam kong 10th of the month yung aking statement date at gusto kong bumili, for example, ng stove which costs you 15,000. So, kung bibilin ko siya ng June 9, it means on July 5, kailangan ko na siya agad bayaran because pasok siya dun sa aking statement period. So, ang tip ko, know your statement date. Because kung alam mo na 10 of the month yun, pwede mo nang, ay hindi ko munang bilhin to. Bibilin ko siya after my statement date. Para hindi siya sumama dun sa babayaran mo on the 5th of the month, which is yung July 5. Another tip is, know your bank. Meaning, ano ba yung mga merchants na naka-tie up nila. For instance, sa case kasi namin, yung credit card, ang purpose niya sa amin is for our monthly grocery. Meaning, every time na mag-grocery ako, yung certain card na yon ay para dun sa aming monthly budget for the grocery. So, once na nalista ko na lahat ng bibilin and na-reach ko yung amount para dun sa merchant na yon, automatic meron akong either points or merchandise. Or, ang kagandahan pa nun, minsan may pa-donut, or meals, isang fast food chain, naka-tie up nila. So, parang nalilibre na yung dapat na binibili mo. So, depende yon sa terms and conditions ng iyong credit card or ng bank. And another perks of having credit card is, hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng pera every time na gagamitin mo or every time meron kang bibili. For example, bibili ka ng stove or ng fridge that costs you 15,000, hindi mo na kailangan humanap ng bangko na bukas para mag-over the counter at mag-withdraw ng cash o kaya ng ATM machines. Imagine kung meron kang laging dalang ganong kalaking pera, so hindi rin siya safe. So better gumamit talaga ng credit card. At the same time, it's katulad ng sinabi ko, it's very important to know your bank kasi meron silang mga feature na kung saan kapag na-reach mo yung ganong amount of purchase, pwede mo na siyang i-convert to 0% installment. Imagine, binili mo yung gusto mong gamit, at the same time, pwede mong hati-hatiin or i-installment yung pagbayad dun sa binili mong gamit. So, tip number 3 is, be mindful on your spending. It doesn't mean pag binigyan ka ni bank ng ganitong credit limit, dapat i-max out mo na yung credit card mo. Hindi po ganun yun. So, you have to match your income versus your expense. Kung alam mo hindi mo na kayang bayaran yung gusto mong bilhin, might as well i-postpone mo na lang. Kung talagang kailangan na kailangan mo yon, tawagan mo si bank kung pwede mo yun i-convert to installment para mas mahaba yung time mo para bayaran yung inyong purchases. Next naman is for your security. Make sure yung PIN natin, yung personal identification number, or yung CVV or CVC, depende yun card verification code or card verification value, yung 3 digits at the back of your card. Make sure na kayo lang po ang nakakaalam niyan because imagine kung may nakakaalam ng inyong credit card number at the same time yung CVV, pwede na yun gamitin para magamit ang iyong credit card. Lalo na pag online purchases. Make sure na ikaw lang nakakaalam ng inyong PIN at CVV. I hope nakatulong itong video sa inyo and disclaimer lang, hindi po ako financial analyst or financial advisor. Yung mga shinare ko po ay based on my experience. Kung na-enjoy mo tong video na to, I hope na-enjoy mo rin yung iba pang video para sa iyo. Till next time!